Doing some more research off of Smith, he likes photographing his people more like of how they act and how they do other than anything. So for my assignment, I decided to go more off him and just do someone that I enjoy but I don't really see every day. It's one of my friends, Samantha. Or Sam. I call her Sam. Everyone calls her Sam. We decided to have fun behind her work and just do a photo shoot for her because she wanted to help me out with this assignment. I end up loving these photos. I just was like, go crazy, act like yourself in front of me. We ended up we were laughing so hard I almost peed my pants, but couldn't help it. It was too funny. We were just having a blasted good old time. I have too many shots to even take because later on we went over to her house and did some more shoots, but I didn't end up putting those in here. Um, these ones are mostly my favorite. I love these ones. They have more meaning to them because it's more like that classy, oh, girl looking super sleek, a girl looking super sleek again. Like, but it's just naturally just her with her freckles on her face. Like, his is more natural to them just being themselves. Here, I love this one. I know it's really zoomed in shot, I'm sorry. And then here, this one's really cute because you get to see her eye color, you get to see her freckles on her face. She looks very beautiful in this last one.